This is Akshita here with yet another quick, delicious recipe. Today I will be showing you a very easy but healthy veg burger which I'll be making using some sprouted and boiled moong. It's a very easy and quick recipe with very few ingredients. So before we head into my kitchen to make this recipe, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel by pressing the red subscribe button that you see below this video. Once you have subscribed, please do click on the bell icon so every time I upload a new video, you will be the first one to know. And also, after watching this video, if you really do like this recipe, please give my video a big thumbs up. So now let's go to my kitchen and start preparing this yummy and delicious veg burger. For our veg moong burger, we have two parts. The first part is making the veg cutlet out of our sprouted moong. And the second part is assembling our burger. So let us start with the ingredients we require for making our veg cutlet out of sprouted moong. I have left the instructions in the description box below as to how to prepare the sprouted boiled moong. And you have to drain out all the water from it. So this will take about at least 3 to 4 hours for it to become completely dry. Otherwise, our burger cutlet will be very soggy if it has water in it. Then we require some finely diced capsicum. I've taken the green color and the red color. Then we have some chopped garlic, about 4 to 5 cloves. Some green chilies, about 2 slit green chilies. I've cut them very fine. Then some pepper powder, some pizza seasoning and some slices of bread. I've made them into small bits because this adds a body to the cutlet and allows it to be firm so we can fry it easily. Then for assembling our burger, we require burger buns which I've cut into 2 halves like this. We need some cheese slices, some mayonnaise, some ketchup and some caramelized onion. I've caramelized this onion using olive oil. All of this is done using extra virgin olive oil. So let's start with our first part, which is preparing the cutlet. Okay, here in my pan, I have some olive oil heating up. To this, I will add my garlic. You don't have to heat your olive oil a lot. So we'll start by sauteing our garlic. Once our garlic is sauteed a little, we'll add in our green chilies. We can now add our capsicum. Now we will add about 2 teaspoons of pepper powder and about 2 teaspoons of pizza seasoning and give it a good mix. Now we can put our flame off and we will add this now to our sprouted and boiled moong. Our next step is now that we add whatever we have fried into our sprouted moong. To this, we will also add our pieces of bread. We will also add some salt according to taste. And now we have to mix all of this together. You can use your hands or you can use a potato masher or a pav bhaji masher and get all of this together. Now that we have mixed all our moong and veggies together, our next step is to form cutlets and we require some breadcrumbs to roll them in. So let's start forming our cutlets. You will take a little bit of the mixture depending on how big a cutlet or smaller cutlet you want to make. If you find it a little bit soggy, add some more bread slices, pieces of bread slices to it. And then you will roll it in your breadcrumbs. And keep it aside. In this way, I'll prepare some more cutlets. So I've prepared 4 cutlets. And now we will heat our pan. And again pour in some olive oil. And once the oil is a little hot, we will add our cutlets. You can add vegetables of your choice. That is, you can add carrots, you can add spinach leaves, you can add anything which you would like to this burger. It's a very healthy burger. You can give it to your kids. You can have it, share it with friends and family. And now we'll wait for our burger to brown. Try and use a non-stick pan because it helps with frying the burger well. Now you will see that your burger is getting nice and brown, but we have to fry this for some more time till we get a lovely dark brown color on it. Now you can see that our burger has become nice and brown. The cutlets have become nice and brown. We'll still wait for some time because then they become nice and crispy. And because we've added the pieces of sliced bread, it's got some firmness too. Also, like I said, you have to remove all the excess water from your boiled moong. So what I do is I put it in a colander, a steel colander or strainer. I put a plate and I put a heavy object on top of it. And I let all the water drain out for at least 4 to 5 hours. Preferably keep it in the fridge so that all the water gets drained out and you get a nice dry consistency. So now that our burgers are ready, the burger cutlet, we'll take them off in a plate. The aroma is amazing of capsicum and pepper and all the herbs in the pizza seasoning. So now we'll go to the assembling of our burger. So now we're going to assemble our burger. Now one thing which you can do is also on your hot pan, just put the burger breads and get it a little bit toasted. You can apply some butter, but since we are making the very healthy version, we'll avoid the butter. Just toast it lightly so the bread also becomes a little nice and crispy. So now we'll go to assemble our burger. Now you can see that I've toasted the bun a little bit. We'll first add some mayonnaise to our bread. Take the lower portion. This is the upper portion. Use the lower portion. Put some mayonnaise. Then we shall put some ketchup. You can put the spicy ketchup, you can put the sweet ketchup. Then we'll take our burger cutlet. Then we'll add some caramelized onion. This gives a lovely flavor to the burger. And then we'll put in a cheese slice. You can use any cheese slice of your choice. Here I've used the cheddar because my family likes the cheddar cheese. And then close your burger. And there it is, the lovely moong burger. I'll show you one more. So here I've taken the bread and the top. First we'll apply some mayonnaise. Then goes some ketchup. Then goes your burger cutlet, some caramelized onion, and then a slice of cheese. And there you have it, friends, the amazing veg moong burger. It's delicious and healthy too. Thank you for watching my recipe.